Well, didn't have a lot of luck finding those springs and screws. I'm going to keep looking for them, but in the meantime, I'm going to do my usual of showing you what not to do. Now, I've already scavenged that switch from one project, and now I'm scavenging more. And this is why I always tell you, don't do that. Because that's more stuff I have to get for this one project, the Telecaster, before I can work on it now. So, hopefully I'll find the other screws and springs sooner than later. Right. Here we go. There we go. That's the right ones. So again, don't scavenge from projects. If you do, at least tape up the bag so you don't lose any more parts, and keep a note of what you took. So if you keep track of your projects a little better, at least what you're missing, if you do scavenge it. And I'm at least going to throw this old 5-position switch back in. Again, that way I've got something. I've got enough there. So I'm probably going to have to come back and clean up this opening a bit, but this is more about the wiring and getting it working, see if I like the sound, how it's wired. But I think only the humbucker I originally had in it, which turns out to be quite an old DiMarzio Super Distortion. So might be one of the reasons I've always loved this guitar. But there's no model number stamped on it, so it is an older one. Okay, so we've got that mounted in there. All right, after some messing around, I went back to the 5-position switch because reasons. Basically, it's just the other one didn't have the tabs on it. It was being a real pain in the butt. And, well, I'm going to find out if the 5 position will work for me or not. I didn't think it would be necessary because of the old DiMarzio, but then I switched to that dual rail. So we'll see. Some of these projects I can teach some stuff, other stuff we'll be learning together.